Today we're making sound deadening panels for better audio recordings. We're starting with a 2 foot by 4 foot panel, 1/4 inch thick in our case, but anything you have will work. We're going to coat it with some leftover polyurethane we had laying around. This clear coat will give the adhesive backed sound deadening panels something to stick to. They likely won't stick well to bare wood, so a coat of poly will give it a nice smooth surface. You can use just about anything here, though latex based paints aren't ideal since we're going to steel wool the finish next. Let it dry overnight, then use some steel wool to smooth out the poly. The smoother the surface, the better the panels will stick. Next up, we install picture hanger hardware on each upper corner on the back non-polyurethane side. Peel the back off, line them up, press them down. Then really press them down all over the foam panel. They stick really well on the smooth poly finish. Repeat this process, turning each panel 90 degrees. Sound engineers would tell you this absorbs the most sound waves, but in reality, we do it because it looks cool this way. Repeat that until the last panel is in place. Easy. And here's our completed sound deadening panel, one of several we will make. And here it is in place. If you enjoyed this video, we would love a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really does help us.